Good morning, everyone. My name is Randy Berry, and I am the project manager for the Cool Widget software upgrade. This is a status update brief for reporting period 4 with an effective date of February 17, 2019. The overall project status is green. As with any project, there are a few critical path tasks that are required in order for project success. These critical path tasks affect the overall project status. They are training delivery, post-training documentation being distributed to all 5 branches, software rollout plan being received from Cool Widgets, and a project team being briefed and prepared to support. Training delivery was completed at all 5 branches from November 1st, 2018 to January 9th, 2019. Upon completion of the training, each location was supplied with the post-training documentation to assist in the software rollout phase, which began on 10 January 2019 and will end on October 4th, 2019. This will signal the end of the project. We have received and verified the proposed software rollout plan from Cool Widgets and are prepared to support both telephonically and on-site. During this reporting period, we were able to accomplish a few milestones. First and foremost, Cool Widgets has requested on-site support for the California and Nevada offices. We have made travel arrangements and life support arrangements for both Sandra and Aaron to support those offices respectively. They will assist during the initial phase of the software rollout to ensure that users are effectively employing the software according to the training plan. Each visit will span 10 business days. We will continue to monitor the software rollout until project completion. Reports are sent from each office weekly to ensure that everyone keeps pace. We are prepared to fully adjust as necessary without encountering any additional scope creep. Milestones that we are looking to accomplish in the future include continuously monitoring the software rollout plan. We are also conducting budget syncs on a bi-weekly basis. This will assist both us and Cool Widgets in our requirements with the on-site support request, which could not be funded using the initial $200,000 budget as it was not a part of the original project scope. Scope creep did set in as a result of not forward thinking during execution, and as the project manager, I could have engaged the SOC holder on increasing the budget to facilitate the on-site assistance at the request of the company. As you can see in the Gantt chart, training delivery was completed on January 9, 2019. Although the software rollout phase was started in December, it only encompassed some of the pre-position planning efforts that were needed to take place in order to be prepared to support any on-site requests by Cool Widgets. The on-site requests would only begin during the software rollout phase, which could not happen until conclusion of the training delivery phase. Subject to your questions, this concludes my update brief.